Hello everyone. So super quick overview of app. It's an app developed by Phil Libin, who is the former CEO of Evernote. And this app just makes regular boring presentations much more funnier, especially if you want to share your screen and share your presentations via Zoom or other like video meeting platforms. So if you want to stand out in your online presentations, you should definitely try out app and get a macOS desktop version. So let's dive into it. I think this company just raised like a big funding because the idea is super cool. Basically, you can make these really nice interactive presentations. So no more boring PowerPoint. You just have this kind of Zoom style visual presentations. Currently, you can only install this app on macOS. So this is a quick review how it works on macOS. So just go to download and currently it's only available for Mac, but it is what it is. If you want to be a Windows beta tester, you can sign up. I think it will be available for Windows soon, and then it's just available not like a web app but more like a desktop app similar to Zoom or Slack. And then you can just add new slides here. So let's just add some slides. You can just add also videos and pictures. It will be added here. You can resize them. And the whole idea that you can go through your presentation and you can like interact with it. So you can make yourself smaller, something like that. You can make yourself transparent. You can add a pointer so you can draw stuff. So it's super cool you can enter away mode. So it's super cool if you're doing some presentations and want to make them more interactive, not just by boring sharing, screen share on Zoom. Then you can add videos. You can move slides around you, behind you. You can share your screen as well here. So just go to add screen share and then you will be able to select either a window or the whole screen. So just tap share and then you can just go to specific windows. If you want to delete slide, just right click and delete slide. Then you can just enable full presentation mode, just shoulder or just without slides. You can add cameras, I don't know what that. You can also record. So just tap interactive recording and it will be recorded and shared on the website. So I tried to do that. And then it has cool functionality, so it's shared on their website and you can look at it. You can, I guess, share or make it private or public. You can see all the slides. So it's kind of similar to Loom. If you use Loom, it's also an amazing tool where you can create quick screen recordings and share them on the web instantly. But it also have these slides automatically attached. So maybe it's a combination of Loom and SlideShare, which makes this app pretty nice. When you enter, you have this free trial and then you need to buy it. What else? I'm just also exploring the app. I don't have a lot of experience with it. You can choose different microphones. You can choose different cameras. You can zoom yourself in, out. You can enable green screen. You can try to invite friends, so just send email invitation. You can what else is here? If you want to remove watermark, just do that from here. And all these customizations for your presentations and for your slides. Yeah, and the next big question, obviously, if you're doing that in the online meetings via Zoom, how to connect this app to Zoom. I will show you right now. So here is Zoom. What you need to do is just start a new meeting. And then you see that my screen is already sharing app screen. To enable that, just go to video and then you can switch to camera. So here is just standard FaceTime HD, or you can just switch to this camera. It's the same, you can add audio to Zoom. So that's basically how you do it. And then that's how it works. Also, there is a concept of rooms. So you can select all of these rooms, and I guess you can edit them. Yep. So there you have it. And then you can enable Copilot, where you can add another person who controls this presentation, and then you can just run it together, which I think is also a pretty nice feature. So that's that. Regarding how to use it, as I just showed in Zoom, how to use it in Microsoft Teams or Blue Jeans or Google Meet, I don't know exactly. Maybe there is just same functionality where you can just select different camera, and then you will be able to see video. So try that. Yeah, so that's the overview. Okay, let's just look at the pricing. So here's their website. So maybe I missed some features because I also a newbie in this app. So there you have it. You have premium for 7 days, and then you can use without limits for $9.99 per month or $99.99 per year, and for up to 60 minutes a day. All users get access to all the basic features as well as the entire premium tool sets, including customizable rooms, presenter controls, and laser points. And then there is a discount for teachers and students. So that's the idea. I think pretty cool app. So try it out. Go to their website, and if you have Mac, just download it right away. I think it's a really nice product. So hope you enjoyed it. Put a like and subscribe. Visit mrhack.io for additional app reviews. So hope this quick overview was helpful, and you will try out app, or maybe even subscribe for $9.99 per month or $99 per year. If you're regularly doing screencast presentations via Zoom, I think it's a great investment.